Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories. But you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start the first story. The first story, a cat, grown feeble with age and no longer able to hunt for mice as she was wont to do, sat in the sun and thought about how she might entice them within reach of her paws. The idea came to her that if she would suspend herself by the hind legs from a peg in the closet wall, the mice, believing her to be dead, no longer would be afraid of her. So, at great pains and with the assistance of a torn pillowcase, she was able to carry out her plan. But before the mice could approach within range of the innocent-looking paws, a wise old mouse whispered to his friends, "Keep your distance, my friends. Many a bag have I seen in my day, but never one with a cat's head at the bottom of it." Then turning to the uncomfortable feline, he said, "Hang there, good madam, as long as you please, but I would not trust myself within reach of you, though you are stuffed with straw." The name of the story, The Cat and the Mice. And the moral, he who is once deceived is doubly cautious. The second story, an ass and a cock lived at peace in a farmyard together. But one day a hungry lion chanced to pass that way. Seeing the ass so plump and well-fed, he resolved to make a meal of him. Now, they say there is nothing that annoys a lion so much as to hear a cock crow. At that very moment, the cock gave one of his proudest cock-a-doodle-doos, causing the lion to make off with all haste from the spot. The ass, greatly amused to see the mighty lion routed by the mere cawing of a barnyard fowl, boldly galloped after the retreating king of beasts. He had, however, pursued him only a short distance when the lion turned sharply upon the foolish ass, and with a mighty roar leaped upon him and made an end of him. The name of the story, The Ass, the Cock, and the Lion. And the moral, false confidence is the forerunner of misfortune.